Hey you guys, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and today's budget focus is on fitness. So I have been working out for the last now 17 days. I jumped on the bandwagon of doing jump rope and seeing if I could last through that challenge. I had no idea what I was getting myself into. I found a jump rope workout on Pinterest and I'll post it up so that you guys can see the kind of workout that I did. I did not realize how intense it would be. I was only supposed to do this for about a week, but I ended up kind of loving it so much. It is not easy, and I wouldn't say being a dancer actually helps me in any way. That cardio is a lot to take in, but I absolutely loved it. I want to show you guys my experience of doing it for about 2 weeks or so and what changes I saw. I'm so glad Pinterest had a workout, because once I realized I wanted to jump rope, I was like, what do I just do it for 10 minutes? Like, how does this even work? And so I found a workout that's like strengthening and cardio back and forth, and I think that that is one of the best ways to get started in it, and also it gives yourself some breaks. In the beginning, I used those breakouts for strength to actually be like my rest time, and now the switch has been flipped, and now when I'm jumping rope, I actually consider that my like meditative moment that I can get through, and then doing the crunches and all that kind of stuff was actually quite intense nowadays. But here is the workout. I'll post it up so that you guys can see, but it's 1 minute jump rope, 20 squats, 1 minute jump rope, 20 tricep dips, 1 minute jump rope, 20 Russian twists, which I actually just do 40 now and just kind of do like 20 on each side as I go back and forth. 1 minute jump rope, 20 reverse lunges, 1 minute jump rope, 20 push-ups, 1 minute jump rope, 1 minute plank, 1 minute jump rope, and then you repeat. And at first glance I thought, oh, this doesn't seem to be too hard, but yeah, it was quite the workout. So I want to share it with you guys. If I had a link, I don't know how to use Pinterest, so I don't know how to find things that I already previously looked at, but I'll have it posted up so you guys can take a screenshot if you like. But let's get into it. Here is my week and a half journey on it, and then I'll come back and talk about what's happened since then, because I didn't film the whole 2 weeks because I didn't know I was going to keep doing it. But here's how it all started, and let's get into it. Okay, so this is terrible lighting, but good morning guys. I'm so excited. It is the first day of July and I'm gonna be jumping rope. I got a jump rope and I'm super excited to change up my workout this month and do something different. Got this jump rope. I got it from Urban Outfitters just because I had like a gift card. And let's get into it. I had to change locations because there was a bumblebee that like wouldn't show me any mercy. That was so hard. Did not realize like how much ability I don't have in jump rope, or basically the cardio. I only made it through one round of that and I literally can't see myself continuing at all. That was insane. Everything started off fine, and then after about like 30 jumps I was like, oh, I can't. I'm too tired. Now I did keep going, and near the last couple ones I actually made it through the full minute, but I was still like gasping for air like I am now. So this is gonna be harder than we thought, but that's okay. That's the point. I think my goal is gonna be to eventually make it through 2 rounds, but I think I'm just gonna focus on this 1 round for at least the next couple days or whatever, because that was so crazy. And I couldn't imagine not doing it with those breaks in between, with the crunches and abs and all that, because I was so tired, and that actually gave me like relief. So yeah, that was day 1. That was incredibly intense. But we're gonna keep going and we're gonna keep striving. I just finished day 2. Day 2 is much better than day 1. I still only did 1 set all the way through. The thought of doing another one is just like, yikes. Like I could do more of like the crunches and all that, but not the jumping yet, at least. And then I just wrote it out because it was easier. I thought I killed a moth at once, which I felt really bad, but then it got up and flew away. So I was kind of happy about that. I was like, yeah, you're alive. But anyway, that was day 2. After I cooled down, I randomly got the spirit to add in some abs because I did feel like, oh, I could do like something else, just not cardio. So I added in the Mad Fit, one of her like intense workouts with a 8-pound weight. And I actually really liked it. Now I feel like, okay, that was like a full workout. So I just decided to add that in, and now I'm dead. Hey you guys, I just finished day 3 of jump ropes. I actually wasn't gonna do today. Yesterday my calves were really sore, like really sore, enough for me to have to want to Google it. Read up on it and it was just kind of like, you know, beginners, like getting used to it and stuff like that. And there were some recommendations that maybe you don't do it like every single day. So I was like, maybe I'll take a break. But throughout the day, I don't know why I talk after I work out. I like can't even breathe. Throughout the day, I just constantly continued to do some stretches. And today I woke up and felt much better. So I just completed the workout. I've done so much better than I did the last 2 days. It's amazing how the body can like change and adjust. I still have some stops like when I first start up again, where I'm just like, whoop. But today the highest that I did in the 1 minute was 126 jumps. That's a record for me because sometimes I wasn't even making that far before stopping. So that was pretty cool. I don't know, people probably jump faster, but I don't think I'm gonna do another workout. Like yesterday I did abs after, but I'm kind of tired in general today. I think my period's coming, so I'm gonna just take it easy. But I'm really happy that I pushed through today. If you don't have a roller like I do to roll out your calves or your muscles in general, I'll show you some exercises that I kind of like realized while I was laying down. I'll show you the first one. What I do is when I'm laying down, I push my knee into my calf and kind of knead through like that. And that really helps if you don't have a roller yourself, like an actual roller, like the one I did in my fitness tools video. If you don't have that, you can just kind of use your knee and push against it, you know, or you can do your hands as well, massaging it. But I actually really like this one because I could just be laying in bed and just kind of like rolling through. I'll be doing this periodically throughout the day just to keep my legs all right, and then also kneading my feet as well, like because my arches were kind of hurting. So when you take your shoes off, just digging your thumbs into it, and that was helpful. So something else that I like to do to stretch out my calves is to pull up on a step and just lean back. This is really helpful to work the calves. You can start doing raises as well. I almost feel like I did better yesterday than I did today. I'm going to do a Mad Fit workout, shredded abs challenge, 500 reps. So let's go. I'm done with today's workout. That 500 reps thing was actually very challenging. It was like 25 of each exercise. That was only 1 rep, and then you did it 4 times, so it's a little repetitive, which is kind of hard. But I finished it, so that's today's workout. Today is July 8th, and I finally did 2 sets all the way through. When I got to the end of the first set, oh, excuse the look. When I got to the end of the first set, I felt like, oh, I could go again. Like, this is okay. So my body has been adjusting. It killed me for sure. I'm really happy and proud of myself. So it is possible. I don't have the calf pain anymore. I just have a little stiffness when I start stretching out at first. I definitely do now feel it in my core, my shoulders, and my feet. My feet like sometimes get cramps. I was looking it up and I started jumping on my yoga mat. Here it is, to add for like a little support, since the concrete can be kind of harsh for my legs, and I think that's definitely helped. I still have some slip ups and some, you know, like falling or stopping with the jump rope. It's quite annoying, but yeah, this is my day 8 check-in. So now it's July 17th and I've pretty much continued to jump rope. What I ended up doing is that I take one day off. On Saturdays, for example, I'll do one set through, and then on Sundays I'll take a full day off and then I'll start again. But the thing is that sometimes I get through one set and I'm like, oh, okay, I can actually keep going. So it's amazing to see like how much the body has changed and gotten used to it. I feel like it's a great workout that has boosted my cardio so much. I did see more definition in my abs, but like I said, I've already been quite an active person, but I do see more definition. I feel it in my abs, I feel it in my arms, I feel it in my legs. My calves do not hurt anymore, which is amazing and such a relief because that soreness was crazy. I just feel like I just need to stretch it out a little bit before I start and then I'm good to go. Easy to buy jump rope, it's not expensive at all. You can find workouts, like I said, all over Pinterest. Now I listen to podcasts to kind of have myself like thinking about something as I'm going through and like counting my jumps. The most jumps that I've been able to get through is that I've done 130 jumps every single set and then repeated as well. So that's like my highest that I've done so far, and that's kind of what I aim for regularly. I am on the jump rope challenge train. Thank you, YouTube. If you guys want another video about like common mistakes or tips and tricks, let me know because I can do one of those as well. How high to jump, how to figure that out, figuring out what to do with your arms. Comment down below if you want like a little tips and tricks and I can definitely do that. But that is my video. That is the journey that I'm on for fitness for the month of July and probably will continue to do so. So I highly recommend picking up a jump rope if you're looking for that workout, and you definitely will see some results or changes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.